Hi gardeners. Today we're going to talk about 8 powerful homemade rooting hormones you can use to help your plants grow strong roots. These natural solutions are easy to make and great for your garden. Honey is a great natural rooting hormone. It's full of enzymes that promote root growth and protect cuttings from infections. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey in 2 cups of warm water, let it cool, and dip your cuttings before planting. 2. Cinnamon. Cinnamon acts as a rooting hormone and antifungal agent. Simply dip the end of your cuttings in cinnamon powder before planting. This will help prevent diseases and encourage root growth. 3. Willow water. Willow trees contain a natural rooting hormone called salicylic acid. To make willow water, cut young willow branches into small pieces and soak them in water for a few days. Use this water to soak your cuttings overnight before planting. 4. Aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is excellent for stimulating root growth. Cut a fresh aloe leaf and extract the gel. Dip your cuttings into the gel and plant them in soil. Aloe vera also protects against infections. 5. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains small amounts of acetic acid, which can promote root growth. Mix 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in 6 cups of water. Dip your cuttings in this solution briefly before planting. 6. Aspirin. Aspirin contains salicylic acid similar to willow water. Dissolve 1 aspirin tablet in a cup of water and soak your cuttings in this solution for a few hours before planting. 7. Coconut milk. Coconut milk is rich in nutrients and growth hormones. Mix 1 part coconut milk with 3 parts water. Soak your cuttings in this mixture for a few hours before planting to encourage root development. 8. Tea. Brew a strong tea using any kind of tea leaves and let it cool. Soak your cuttings in the tea for a few hours before planting. The nutrients in tea can help stimulate root growth.